Imagine walking into a crowded room full of content creators, all of them struggling with heavy camera rigs, tangled microphone cords, and overheating screens. You reach into a small jacket pocket, pull out a camera that weighs less than a bottle of water, flip open a crystal-clear screen, and instantly start capturing crisp, cinematic 4K video with flawless color accuracy and pin-sharp focus. That is no longer a luxury reserved for big-budget production houses. It is the exact reality-shifting truth of what is happening right now with the Nikon Z30 II. For years, the entry-level creator market was locked in a frustrating trap. The industry told you that if you wanted to elevate your video quality past a smartphone, you had to spend thousands of dollars on a massive, heavy mirrorless body, buy a labyrinth of external audio gear, and learn complex color grading software just to make your footage look clean. If you chose a budget vlogging camera, you were penalized with tiny sensors, terrible low-light grain, and a system that shut down due to overheating after 10 minutes of continuous recording. It was an exhausting trade-off between your budget, your sanity, and the quality of your art. But Nikon just executed a strategic move that completely upends that entire narrative. By re-engineering the mirrorless crop sensor, stripping away the unnecessary weight of legacy viewfinders, and embedding a high-speed tracking brain directly into an ultra-compact body, they didn't just release a sequel. They broke the entry-level hierarchy. If you are a YouTube creator, a travel vlogger, a live streamer, or someone who is sick and tired of their smartphone video looking grainy, compressed, and unprofessional, you need to freeze. Stop shopping for expensive, overcomplicated camera gear. Do not spend a single dollar on a new setup until you understand exactly what Nikon has accomplished with this small piece of silicon and glass. Because by the end of this video, you will realize that the barrier to entry for high-end digital creation has permanently collapsed, and traditional ideas of what a professional creator setup needs to look like are officially dead. We are going to systematically dissect exactly how this miniature powerhouse operates under continuous, real-world production loads. We will look at the stunning leap in its image processing pipeline, the brutal efficiency of its thermal management that allows for limitless recording times without overheating, the hidden audio and autofocus upgrades that solve the biggest pain points of solo operators, and how its native color science delivers a premium look straight out of the camera. Most importantly, we will look deep into why this specific device is causing a massive wave of panic across the portable camera market, forcing legacy brands to completely rethink their budget product lines just to stay competitive. Let us start with the absolute heart of the machine, the sensor and image processing engine. To truly comprehend why this camera is an absolute marvel for solo creators, you have to look at how it manages light. We are not talking about a basic software sharpening filter or a gimmicky digital crop. This is a fundamental optimization of how a high-resolution sensor communicates with an advanced processing core. The dynamic range expansion means that the Z30 II pulls exceptional detail out of deep shadows and bright, blown-out skies simultaneously, delivering natural skin tones and deep, rich colors that used to require hours of meticulous color grading in post-production. When you look at the history of compact video-focused cameras, the progress was traditionally slow, compromised, and highly restricted by severe data rate limits.